Hey everyone, welcome back to my small patio. I did another round of makeovers on this space I wanted to share with you, but before I do that, I wanted to remind you where we left off last year at the end of spring. This is where we were at. I absolutely loved it, but I decided to give it a little bit more of an upgrade, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's start with the inspiration. I saved several photos that I used to inspire my current space. I wanted to create a version of it for myself, which I think I did a pretty good job of. I absolutely love the dark backdrops, and I just think that it allows for the greenery to really pop. And I really wanted to incorporate a pergola in my space, but they tend to be very expensive, and the ones that are on the market are generally made for a 10 by 10 space, and I don't have that much room in my patio. My patio is very small. I can only fit an 8 by 8. When I saw this makeover that Mr. Kate did for the Dolan twins, I really loved this modern pergola and looked into the company that made it. It was just way too expensive. But when I studied the photo, it's literally 8 pieces of wood attached together, so I decided to show it to my contractor and we made our own. Okay, here I am in my little patio yard here, and I've taken down all the lights and I rolled up the area rugs because we're giving this space a little makeover. You can see where we had area rugs here to fill these holes where I had little eye hooks. See? Cobwebs. Can't stand the cobwebs. I don't know how people keep their backyards so clean. You must be cleaning constantly because it's so dusty here. My lights are in this tub. They are so dusty. I totally need to clean them. So gross. I hate cobwebs. And here are my area rugs that are rolled up now. Somebody's picking them up today. Sold the set for just $10. Gotta give the space a good cleaning with this 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. It's safe for your plants. I did it before. It's time to do it again before we roll out an area rug that is going to cover this entire space, which will make it look and feel a lot cleaner and a lot more spacious. And then the pergola is going to go right there. I can't wait. I think it's going to feel really cozy. Happy Saturday morning. I'm getting ready to power wash the patio. So I'm super excited to get everything so clean before we do all the other stuff. But I don't know how other people keep their stuff clean, but look how dusty it gets out here. Oh, so gross. Sprayed the cleaner throughout. Now I'm going to power wash.
Jag har en black, så jag har en black eller nice.
Okay, we're spray painting. That's what we're doing. Choosing the best pieces of wood. This is looking so good already. Installing the posts. And this is the other side. Once we do this, we can move these over. He had marked off where the 4x4 post bases were going to sit so that I get a perfect 8x8 space, and he had to screw those into the concrete, which he did beforehand, but then we had to wait for the area rug to arrive so that he could lay that down and then place the actual post base on top of the area rug. Now, as you can see here, we started building it, and basically what we had was 4 4x4 redwood posts, and then there were 2x4s that were attached by these galvanized connectors, and I will link all of the products below in the description box. And then it was just a matter of assembling everything together. Those corner connectors were actually galvanized steel. They did not come in black, so I just spray painted them. I used these D-rings on the very top of the post so that we can connect the sunshade on each corner, and we're basically done. You guys, I'm so excited. I've been working on this patio all afternoon, and it looks so good. Lay down a 12 by 20 carpet that looks like grass, and now the space looks so much cleaner and bigger. But what I'm most excited about is this trellis. Looks so good. I still need to stain it. That's going to happen tomorrow. And then these lights are temporarily attached with zip ties, so I knew how to space them out properly. I stained it the same color as the existing garden boxes, which is a really dark blue-gray, and I'm in love with the results. We picked up a new set of cushions for the outdoor love seat, which was in desperate need of a change, and this is the shopping experience I had to contend with. Okay, I wanted to walk you guys through what this iteration of my patio makeover consists of. The main thing is I've already done the lattice work and the planter boxes. That was about 2 years ago, actually maybe 3 years ago. And I've had this fireplace for a couple of years now. These plants used to be in pots, and after I replanted them into the planter boxes, they've done so much better. I had the same lattice box built to cover the AC unit because that's never attractive. And this is a fairly simple, small little patio. Literally, the concrete is 12 by 20. And the biggest change is this area carpet. So it is a faux grass carpet that measures 12 by 20, so it covers the entire space. And I cannot tell you how much of a difference that makes. It makes the place feel bigger, it makes it feel cleaner, and I just love it. And I've had various area rugs in here, under here. You can kind of tell, you can see the outline. There's brick squares here, and then there's concrete, and just having one flooring throughout makes such a big difference. Over here is my little dining area with my umbrella. I did power wash it. Okay, if you guys have not used a power washer, you need to get your hands on one because it makes such a big difference. What I'm going to do at the end of the season is actually take this umbrella cover down and throw it in the washing machine and see how well that works. I did power wash it. It did clean it up, but I can still see dirt, and that's just from being outside on a daily basis. The next thing that made a huge difference, that I've been wanting something like this forever now, is this pergola. I love it so much. It's so simple. So here's the pergola. It's literally 4 posts with 2x4s going across and the correct hardware to keep it all together. It has been screwed down into the concrete, so we cut around the rug so it has a built-in look. The corner brackets here were stainless steel, and I spray painted it black. And then these brackets for the posts were actually black already, so that worked out. And then these are Redwood Posts, and then 2x4s that we stained the same color as those lattice pieces and the planter boxes all around. Then from there, I took the cafe lights that I had that was strung across, and I removed it off of the house and just put it on this pergola, and it looks so nice at night. I just absolutely love it. And I got a new sunshade in gray, so everything's really neutral. What I really love is that having a neutral backdrop and a darker backdrop allows all the greenery to really pop. And now I have a great little sitting area right outside of the kitchen to be able to relax and enjoy time outdoors. It was really fun for my daughter's birthday party. We strung balloon signs across, and the girls took a picture out here. But this is so cozy now. It's such a small space, but it's a very well appointed space. I see bigger yards that are not nearly as nice as this. So just because you have a small space does not mean you are limited only by your imagination. The overall cost of this makeover was just a little bit over $700, or a little over $200 of it was the area rug. So obviously the area rug cost would depend on how big your space was. But in the end, the pergola would have cost well over $1,000 had I ordered it from the other company. And I had all the string lights already. I had a lot of the other things done in previous makeovers. I'm just thrilled with the results. I hope you like it as much as I do. And of course, my favorite time of the day to enjoy this space is dusk. I just think it's so pretty, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you can get notified every time we upload a video, and we'll see you in the next episode.